What's going on, y'all? SES and I'm finna knock some work out. Telling y'all, I'm adding the power thing to that because I can't keep doing that. That hurt my hand. There's two G bodies in here, man. Got a cut dog and a real. Cutlass got the big block. Real got the small block. Chevy motors. Both in for digital dashes. So I'm finna knock the Cutlass out first because it's a little easier. I did the Cutlass multiple times. The Regal, I only did one Regal. So it's a little tricky for me, but I had one drop off, both drop off at the same day. So this one right here and this one easier. This one, I just knock this one out first. Trapping out the back of the truck. Man, pretty much got this one set. Had to go get some tape. I had to take this apart for the tack. They got an MSD. Take that back up. Put this back like it was. I'm gonna test in front of y'all so we can confirm or deny that the tack worked. Everything with the motor pretty simple. Pretty much cut and dry stuff. I'll crank the motor up. If we get a tack signal, then we know the tack good. I ain't never did a digital dash on a big block. I was gonna make the brake, the e-brake work. I look under there, the e-brake's loose. I look under there, got a built rear end. So I think that's 4 9-inch. I ain't sure though. Oh yeah, we got the tack signal. So clean up all that, connect stuff on the motor, and this will be out. Well, done tonight. It'll probably be out in the morning. And I'll start on the other one tomorrow. But, man, this is a nice motor. I ain't gonna lie to you. I like it. Wonder how it does on fuel. Had something like this in the don't. Ew. But yeah, let me finish doing my part. I gotta get a extension cord so I can heat this. Then tape. I need to make this list real quick. I gotta go to Walmart. We gotta go get some groceries. So let me show y'all this, man. This is digital dash swap number 1 with the big block. We got a bell housing bolt missing my totem, but got this damn square plug. I done used a regular 12. Then I'm finna try the extended 12. I tried a socket 12 point. I tried a crescent wrench. Man, heat, no heat. This stuff crazy. So I'm trying to get it out, man, without costing them more money. Crazy. I'm hoping it come out this time. This baby ain't no joke. Pray for me. It's looking like it might do something. Oh, let's see what we got. Hold on, I gotta put the phone down.
The next day.
Hey, extra clean, boy. This boy's so clean. Made a list. He told me to look over the car, so this noted what I would change and upgrade and stuff like that. But the issue with the oil, man, I had to order special square sockets on Amazon, so they'll be here tomorrow. But I got everything in and done and wired, everything working as it's supposed to. I'm gonna calibrate the speed and set the oil once I did that special socket. But onto the small block one. This is my normal category of work, so this shouldn't take long. But hey, you never know. This one day job took 3. Plus running back and forth to the store, getting tools. Man, I do appreciate everybody patience, because it's definitely not a walk in the park doing this type of stuff at a new spot with literally I don't have no equipment really. It's just what I bought right here. That's it. But I'm making it happen though, so y'all stay tuned. On the Yo Regal, got a 350 swap. I believe that's what he told me. So this ease gauge just went pretty smooth. Did all the sensors and everything, then did the inside of the car. It definitely went pretty quick. I just gotta put everything in the inside back together, but all the wires ran and no issues. I just had to go to the store and make a fitting for the oil. That's it. So about to plug all that in now. Then put the cover back on and shoot. Program everything tomorrow. Hook everything up and program tomorrow. And it's done. But let me go ahead and knock this out. Y'all, time for me to go. Like I said, absolutely no issues with this one. Only thing I'm questionable on is when I cut the lights on and off, the gauge is cut on and off because the headlights didn't work at all. But the marker lights came on and the tail lights came on, so I'm guessing it's a headlight issue. So they should come on. So that's the only thing. But everything else worked. The brake lights, the e-brake even worked.
The next day.
All right, man, so it came right loose with this pipe wrench set. Definitely worth the money. I learned a lot, man, over time. You just gotta be patient, man. Like, because if I would have tried to keep using stuff that don't work over time, would have just made it worse and worse. All right, man, about 30 minutes later, let's see what we got. Yep, it definitely should work. The oil light ain't on no more. Oh yeah. Just gotta calibrate the speed. And then the alternator charged once it hit like 2,000. See how it's coming up. Yeah, this one out. All right, down to 2. This one, everything done. Like I showed y'all a couple days ago. I think that was 2 days ago. This is for the tack. Yeah, and then it didn't have to be hardwired. So, literally just gotta plug this one up and snip, heat shrink all the labels. That's done. And this one here is from scratch. I'm gonna let this exhaust fumes clear out for a little second and cut this AC on in the office. Yep, definitely try and get it done, get all this done today. Alright, man, kind of tired. We on the last gauge swap. Try to knock this boy out quick. Box Chevy's like second nature, so the inside ain't gonna take long at all. It's the outside. Just Calculated the speed. Going back to the shop. The first car, 2 more to go. Alright, man, we got this one here done completely. Just gotta calibrate the speedometer. I gotta go get some deadener, some heat shield cable, new microfiber towels in the shop, some window cleaner, a bunch of little stuff to get all that. But everything in and working. My daughter sleeps, so I kind of don't want to start it. Yeah, I ain't gonna start it. I know everything works. Vacuum it back out. Dang switch out the box. This right button don't work, so I'm gonna make a run and call that in so I can get him a new button. So I ain't gonna even mount it because just kind of pointless, man. All this gonna have to come back apart. Well, I could still mount it. Yeah, I'm gonna mount it though. I'm gonna mount it still. Then it's the Holly. Pretty sure you're gonna put this in the console. He already bought a console, but it's gonna have to get modified. Put this in now behind his iPad. Same thing with this shield. It's a little cloudy, so I'm gonna clean that off before I put it back in there. But yeah, everything is working and stuff. Car got a built rear end, so no e-brake. Other than that, everything's everything. Everything. So supposed to have this done yesterday, but Sunday, kind of try to take that day to myself. You know, kind of try to take Sundays to myself and to my family, but I did come over here and just not for long enough to finish this. But put a couple more hours in, about 2-3 hours, finish this off, make sure everything A1. But yeah, definitely nice. It's a nice car right here. I ain't gonna need a lot of y'all. Like I say, I called 78 Shea Boy. Man, this car is literally just like yours. He said, let me see. Turned the camera around. He said, dang, that sure is like a little penny. See if I can get a good thumbnail from right here. I probably need to move all these tools over. I'm about to head out. Got some stuff I need to do. Pick up my baby, my other baby. And yeah, go edit this video, but that's all the gauge says. Alright, you see. Look at the old one right there. That's one I just got from home, so right button working, left button working. So I'm gonna mount that as soon as I get back later on tonight. They said trash this one.